right. By the time I taxi out, you'll be back. Hey, it's going straight. Taxiing out.
Cycled it a few times now, it works like a charm. I have no idea what it did.
That's funky. They do kind of hang off to the side before they go in, I know that.
I thought it was maybe the way it was tilted like that, because when I had it straight it worked, but then I tilted it again. So I don't know.
Yes, let me get up first. Let me get my first flight. Let me take off and then you can come up.
Use up the entire runway.
Yes, I wanted to nag key on.
That nose sitting line is supposed to run.
Oh, it's way up, isn't it? This doesn't look right. It doesn't look right.
China cleared.
Not scale at all.
Oh, is that even an F-18?
No, no, it's an F-19
It
now.
looks like an SU, 57 or something.
Take it off!
Look at it.
Gear up, flaps up.
It's a fun plane, I like it. It's not rocket fast, but it shouldn't be anyway, right?
Yeah, I can still see the effect of the nose chin in the
Oh
air.
yeah. It's still holding up.
It's like sitting 90 degrees up.
Yeah, look at that. Nope. It's in, but just it's not activated. I'll be around. I'm around. Pester Mikey. Yeah, man. Up and over the sun. Oh, it's for sure faster.
Yeah, it's fast.
A lot faster.
So it's not just me.
No, this is slow compared to it. The Freewing 90, even stock, is pretty quick. I'm trying to catch him, but... Oh, didn't quite make it. No, see, not quite as much power as the other stuff. I have a 2100 kV at home though, I'm going to put in here.
Time remaining 1 minute.
What is the KV on this?
This is 2000, but the 2100 kV is a little bit longer. So, should do better.
By changing the ESC, can I put a 7S in there, you think?
You want to put 7? That's kind of an odd number.
Well, I have 7s for my helicopter.
Oh, that's right, okay.
So I have like 10 7S batteries.
Do you know if the stock motor can handle that?
I don't.
30 seconds.
Guess there's one way to find out.
I'm asking the expert.
It'd be a good smoke system, at the very least.
Already?
And this is with the 6, right?
6,000, yeah.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Once he's coming in, once he comes in, I'll come
Time
up.
expired.
I have the timer set for a 5,000, but I'll come in.
You want him to tell him to come here?
It's okay.
Get off?
It's okay. I can go around again if I have to.
Mikey, get off!
He's okay. Just let him come back. I'll do another go around. I've got plenty of power. Okay, I'm landing. Is it still down the runway or a little cross?
Still
A
cross.
light bit, not much. Just kind of other.
Ah. Damn it.
That's your brake system. Don't worry about it.
No way to get around it with this thing.
Well,
Well, my
have to
flaps.
put it down like way over there. That's the only thing you can do because
avoid
it
it.
rolls forever. It's
I
just,
know.
You can't put it in the middle. It's gonna go.
You try to turn and it's, yeah. Well, just have somebody 3D print some missiles for me. So I've grounded off all the fins on one side.
Let's think about something. When you go,